What would I advise a person who is seeking knowledge and fell off to come back and inshallah seek knowledge again? Falling, and brothers, there's nobody who's perfect. There's no one who is perfect. You fall, you get up. You fall, you what? You get up. That's just life, right? Who goes to the gym and works out? Put your hand up if you go to the gym and work out. I can tell, by the way, those who go to the gym. But put your hand up if you go to the gym or you work out. I just want to use, so mashallah, there's a few brothers who put their hands up, mashallah. The rest are humble. I can see them. They do go to the gym, but they just don't want to say it. What is one of the rules that you have to do when you go to the gym? Because I personally, I've tried going to the gym. When I go 2, 3, 4 days, I stop. And I don't see any changes. Huh? Am I ever going to see any effect and change? Why? What do I need to do? But my muscles hurt me and I feel tired. What do I do? I have to still stay consistent, right? And then after that, am I going to see some changes? That's life. Are we all together, brothers? That's exactly seeking knowledge. That's exactly what the deen is. If you want to see changes, you just have to keep going. So there was a few brothers I started with, and Allahumma barik, they got 6 packs on their ears. Allah barik, you can see, you can tell. And I'm still like this, you see? Barakallah feekum, brothers, may Allah take you all to Jannatul Firdaus and preserve you